Hi everybody, my name is Lori and welcome back to another video. I just got it today. Now this is the BoxyCharm over 50. This is from that profile. We have the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Now the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, the prices did go up just like BoxyCharm did. And to be honest with you, I don't know what the price is. It's not that big of a deal. Off the top of my head, I don't know what the price is, but it'll be on the screen. So for October, we check this out, you guys. I mean, look at this bag. Look at this bag. It is like too cute. It's ready for Halloween. It is a Halloween bag. It's more like a vamp bag. It's got that the vamp mouth with the teeth and the green tongue. I don't think that's blood. I think that's the tongue. It's got the neon green drawstring because it is a drawstring pouch, and then it has the real bright neon green IPSY tag. Let's get into this thing, okay? IPSY is a month-to-month beauty box subscription. Beauty bag. It's not a box. We don't get the box anymore, so it's a beauty bag subscription. You're gonna get a cute little card, just like this. However, this one does not have the items that that you're going to find inside your bag, nor the prices or the descriptions of each of the items. So this one is for October 2021, Pretty Wicked. And last minute Halloween plans, DIY these 3 easy makeup looks. That's what's on the inside of that card. Anyway, if you guys get IPSY, let me know what your choices were for this month for October. And don't forget that the choices that were already made for November, let me know what you got. I made my choices today for Boxy. So it's the 11th. It opened up. Today's Monday. For my beauty quiz on the Lady Lori for BoxyCharm, I said surprise me. So anyway. Our first item, you guys want to see what I got? Okay, I got the 111 Skin. Now, I already have this, but because they were offering it, I take it. And the reason I take it is because the stuff's expensive. This is it right here. I think that's it. I'm loving this. Oh my God, I've never had my under eye and around my eye tight. And of course, you got to keep doing it or else it wears off, because our skin, the cells, they dry out and they don't plump. Oh, good. I got plenty. It's that real pretty dusty rose jar. Good. I'm not worried about it then. This is fantastic. I can always use an extra jar of 111 Skin. What do we have in the bag? What do we have in the bag? It's like looking through your Halloween candy bag. When you give it to your mom and dad and they're looking for all the good stuff, it's like, what's in here? I forget what I choose, And then we have by Il Makiage. I think this is the mascara. So I think this one is in black. I'm almost positive it is. I have gotten I've gotten quite a few products from them. Some people like them, some people don't, but it all depends on the product too. So you never know. Real pretty, they're tubes. Reflective metal, what is it? I guess it would be aluminum. And it is a tube. I really don't want to open it because I'm afraid it's going to get some air and I'm not ready to start this one yet. I have about 4 or 5 mascaras. 2 of them are going dry. But for the most part, I'm a very happy customer when it comes to Il Makiage. I have not had any products of theirs ever disappoint me. This, you guys, it's a Posh powder palette by Douce. Now, I have a palette from Douce and I was scared to death. My first concern when I saw this today, because I always check everything. I'm not one of those people that likes to be surprised. I always open up my bag and and check it out before, is I have one. So hold on a sec. Okay, so I have a palette from Douce. I thought this was the exact same palette that I got in my IPSY bag, and I'm thinking, no, please. I have enough duplicates and I don't have enough time to be doing tons of giveaways back to back. Here we go. Look how pretty, right? Look at this, really sleek. These are the shades right here. Very pretty. They are really pretty. But I'm disappointed that there is no product protector. Now this has Posh powder palette. Okay, so what do we got in here? Looks like we got some highlights and we got some blushes. And there's nothing, not even anything stuck on the top, the lid, nothing. Okay. This is the first video of the series. So this is the one where I have to get my feet wet and kind of find my groove. Bear with me. I'm like all over the place and my mind just stops and starts thinking and then doesn't say anything out loud. Okay, this I'm telling you guys, I love that I picked this. Now this is the Viseart. This is the Petit Pro, and it's a little eyeshadow palette. It reminds me of those cases that you put your business card in. It's a little back with a little ribbon. And then it's magnetic, right? So you go like this. And then you just keep unfolding until you get to that palette. Oh, I should have did that next to the microphone. These colors are beautiful. These colors are gorgeous. I'm trying to get it to where, and by the way, not only are the colors gorgeous, they pop out, by the way. They do. They pop out. These just, I would love to swatch them, but we are short on time and I got to get a whole bunch of boxes unpacked. It's just, I mean, you guys, that is so cute. This is something I would just pop in my purse. You get 8 little colors. It's not going to last you very long. You're going to hit pan. And then a brush set. This is the Love Craft Beauty. I think it's 5. There's 5. It's the eyeshadow brush set. Very pretty. They're very pretty. If I can get the damn thing open. Ooh, they are sturdy. They're like metal pencils. You got a little pack of 5. Get your blender brush. Does it say anything on here? It just says Lovecraft Beauty. This is a number 8. Doesn't have anything written on there. That's your little, that's your blender. And then you have your brow. This is like your under eye and your brow, the number 4. Angled brush. That's a pretty decent size, isn't it? That's a decent size. I like that one. Then you have your little short blender, which is your number 7. Your eyeliner, which is your number 6. And you have your, well, you could use this as a shadow brush or a lip. All depends. It's up to you. It's not stiff, so I don't know. It's up to you. Technically, you can use a brush for whatever the heck you want. I mean, if you think about it, and a brush works, doing something completely different than what the manufacturer made it for, it doesn't matter. There's your 5 little brushes. Everything comes in this little drawstring bag. This is what you get every month. It's always themed, so the bag's going to be different every single month. This used to be $25 a month. I believe it went up to $28. So if I'm not mistaken, these are $28 a month. That was IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of October 2021. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, I think it's a pretty cool bag. You get a face palette, powder palette. You get an eyeshadow palette. This is where we're getting serious, okay? You have brushes to put the stuff on. You get a little bit of skincare for before, and you get the mascara to finish your look. So you get 4 items. That is not bad. That's not bad because IPSY is not known for doing heavy makeup. Usually it's heavy skincare. So anyway, let me know what you guys got. Let me know if you think that the bag that I got was a pretty cool bag. Like I said, 4 out of 5 makeup. You know what I mean? Did we get the same bag? Maybe we did. Maybe we're twins. Anyway, let me know down below, leave a comment. And before you head out, do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, and then don't forget to hit that button right there. That's right, it's the subscribe button. I'd appreciate it, and become part of my YouTube family. I'd love to have you. All right, you guys, I got another box to unbox, and I'll be right back. Well, you know what? I'll be right back, meaning I'll see you in my next video. Bye.